money is probably at the top of the list for many of you that are at or near retirement. And I'm here to tell you that there's a very good chance that we can get rid of that stress once and for all. If you'd like to learn more, call right now for our Conservative Investor Information Kit and our Conservative Investor Book that could change your financial life for the better. My phone number is 909-321-9737. That's 909-321-9737, or simply text the word income to 909-321-9737. This is Billy Miles, your host of the Miles Financial Show. I'll be right back after this informative message.
What if you didn't have to wait any longer to retire? Fed up with the 9-to-5 rat race? Daydream about retirement when you're stuck in rush hour traffic? Maybe you don't have to wait. Let Billie and Patrick Miles and their team at Miles Financial Group help you answer the question, when can I stop working? With their personalized retirement income analysis. The results might delight you. This personalized retirement analysis outlines successful strategies on how to achieve financial peace of mind, whether you are still working or already retired, offering guaranteed income plans for life. Plus, discover some tax and estate planning strategies on how to pass along more of your wealth to your children and grandchildren. Typically, you'd pay hundreds of dollars for this service, but right now, it's absolutely no cost to you if you have at least $100,000 saved for retirement. Call for your complimentary, customized retirement analysis from Miles Financial Group right now at 909-321-9737. 909-321-9737. Billie and Patrick's team is dedicated to helping you develop a guaranteed income plan that can't be outlived. 909-321-9737.
AM 590, The Answer.
Welcome back to the Miles Financial Show. I'm Billy Miles, a safe money retirement specialist. If you can convert some of your current retirement savings into something that would never lose value in the marketplace and still realize gains from the market, would that be of interest to you? I would think so. How much of your money is currently in the market or not earning as much as you would like it to? Are you happy with the amount of risk that you're currently taking? Do you really know the level of risk that you're taking in your portfolio? The reality is the market goes up and the markets go down. And even without black swan events, this is a reality that you have to live with as you approach retirement. Ask yourself, can you really afford to have your life savings at risk? Those assets that you'll need to count on in retirement to provide income for you for the rest of your life. Do you really want to have those assets in anything that can crash? The choice is really up to you. But let me ask you one more question. Does your broker know when the next black swan event is going to make your retirement money half of what it is today? Do they have a crystal ball giving them a heads up on terrorist attacks, corruption, natural disasters, market crashes, or the next global pandemic? If they're honest with you, they'll tell you that the answer is no. And if you're honest, you'll admit that you don't know either. I'll be honest with you. I have no idea when any of these things are going to happen next. No one does. The reality is when it comes to the market, no one can predict what tomorrow will bring. No one knows if it will be up. No one knows if it will be down. It truly is a risk that you take on a day-to-day basis. So if your broker doesn't know, you don't know, and I don't know, how is your retirement money safe when 100% of it or the majority of it is in the market? A singer, Matt Kearney, has a song that says, "We're all just one phone call from our knees. And the only thing certain about life is that it's not certain." And the same thing is true for your retirement. One morning you wake up and flip on CNBC or Fox Business News on the television to find out that all of the people that were telling you to risk your hard-earned retirement money didn't know a thing. Or maybe that the advice that they were giving was not that it was incorrect, it just may not have been correct for you in your situation when you're staring down retirement in the next 5 to 10 years, or possibly may already be retired. Your money is gone, and no one the day before told you about a black swan event. When you were younger, you had time to recover from steep losses. You most likely were still contributing to your retirement accounts. But now that you're approaching retirement or already in retirement, you cannot afford to go backwards. It's time to move some of your assets to safety. It's time to get off the market roller coaster and get on a path to security, to peace of mind, and to income for life. Because remember, what's the most important outcome in retirement? It's your income. And our no market risk strategies ensure that our clients' accounts only continue to grow and never suffer market losses, putting to work what some people call the eighth wonder of the world, and that's the miracle of compounding. So if you saved at least $100,000 towards retirement and you want to know how you can put guardrails around your money, you want to know how to keep your money safe once and for all, then give us a call right now at 909-321-9737. That's 909-321-9737. And if you're one of the first 10 callers today, we'll even show you how you can get a copy of our 115-page conservative investor book. It's an insider's guide to no market risk strategies, and we'll show you common sense approaches, things that you can even do on your own to protect your money, to make sure that you have enough income for the rest of your life, and to know that you and your wife and your husband can have peace of mind and confidence in retirement for the rest of your life. As a matter of fact, if you call now, I'll personally review your current portfolio and show you how to keep your money safe and not lose it anymore to hidden fees and charges, to market slides, and to black swan events. So give us a call at 909-321-9737. That's 909-321-9737, or simply text the word income to the same number, 909-321-9737, and you'll receive a complimentary white paper, our income report, that will show you the 5 things that you need to know as you approach retirement as it relates to your income. And you can even schedule an appointment to talk with me and to have a consultation virtually over the phone right from your cell phone. So give us a call or text the word income to 909-321-9737. Here are 2 very important points to remember. You may want to write these down and look at them every day. Number 1, avoiding losses is much more important than achieving large gains. Number 2, making steady average gains is much better than hitting home runs. I'll say them once more. Number 1, avoiding losses is much more important than achieving large gains. Imagine if you can eliminate the losses, the 50% loss from 2000 to 2002, the 50+% loss from 2007 through 2009, the 34% loss in March of 2020. Imagine if you can eliminate those large losses from your portfolio and only focus on and only receive the steady average gains in the portfolio. Trust me, that's much better than hitting home runs. Warren Buffett says it this way. There are 2 rules that every investor should live by. Number 1, never lose money. Number 2, never forget the first rule. So if you want to learn how to do that, how to protect your retirement accounts, then give us a call right now at 909-321-9737. That's 909-321-9737, or simply text the word income to the same number, 909-321-9737. Someone from our team is standing by. It may be one of the most important decisions you make for your retirement. That's 909-321-9737. I hope you've enjoyed the Miles Financial Show this week. Unfortunately, we're out of time today. But thanks for listening, and until next time at the same time, I'm Billy Miles, reminding you to stay safe for the miles ahead.
You've been listening to the Miles Financial Show with your host, Billy Miles. Find out how to guarantee that your hard-earned money is safe, so it is always growing and never losing, in order to have the future that you deserve. Call Billy Miles now or text the word TAX to 909-321-9737 to get a complimentary tax report that will show you how to keep more of your hard-earned money. Just text the word TAX to 909-321-9737 to get your free report now. The preceding information does not represent tax, legal, or investment advice. Surrender charges apply to base contracts. Optional lifetime income benefit riders are used to calculate lifetime payments only and are not available for cash surrender or in a death benefit unless specified in the annuity contract. Fees may apply. Guarantees are based on financial strength and claims paying ability of the insurance company. No information presented today should be acted upon without meeting with a qualified and licensed professional. Obviously, by calling now, you're just taking the first step towards protecting your retirement. It is important that you read all insurance contract disclosures carefully before making a purchase decision. Rates and returns mentioned on the program are subject to change without notice.